Hello everyone, this is Ng Shereinai Bliss here, your Miss Barak 2022, extending my heartfelt invitation to be a part of the 23rd PNTM Tournament, which is one of the biggest tournaments for us Poumainahs, to be held from 16th January to 2nd February 2024 at Tungjoy Village under the resplendent theme, nurturing talents, embracing the talents that resides within our community. So please do come, be a part of this journey and help us transform our aspirations to achievements and to empower our community's budding talents. And I'm sure that at the end of the day, the best part of this remarkable journey would be discovering what we can actually do and what more we can do than what we ever believed is possible. After all, what is the definition of unity without our testimony of witnessing the spirit of sportsmanship?